How to find working Zara promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Zara promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Zara. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Simply Codes. Once to any website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for it. 30% off, 50% off, $30 off, $80 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on copy code. With that, the code will be copied. Now I can head towards the website of Zara, log into your account, and use this code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Zara. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you are in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Zara. So this way you can easily find working coupon codes for Zara. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.